Hello guys and welcome back to my channel and a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this penguin ice block breaking game from GearBest.com. Want to know if it's any good? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back to the return subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Initially, I seen this ice block breaking game on the GearBest website a while ago, priced at £2.81. That's $4 US. And finally this week I got the opportunity to review it. So I'm not going to wait around and I'm just going to get into the unboxing. Let's get to the fast forward mode. So what do we have? Well, it's noticeable from the start that this is the mini travel version of the ice block breaking penguin game. You can buy this travel game or the larger version to this game off the GearBest website, and I'll leave the buy it now link in the video description down below. Outside the box, well, everything is basic, with various pictures and to the rear instructions and content lists. And the brand of this ice block breaking game is CD, model number ZD001. Looking inside the box, we have the plastic hexagon shaped frame, 38 hexagon shaped ice blocks, and a plastic bag with the stickers, in-play game spinner, 4 game frame support pillars, 2 ice block hammers, and the small little penguin itself. Now let me just empty all the contents out of the bags and get this little game set up. So first of all, we're going to grab the spinner sticker off the sticker sheet, place it on the spinner plate, insert the spinner dial arm, and then we're going to take the last 2 stickers and place them onto the game table frame. Then the next step is I'm going to save some time and place the ice blocks within the game table frame. You can place them randomly, and once that's done you can finally insert the 4 pillars, and now the game is set up and complete. So now this is set up, I'm going to have a game with my children and see how they like it. Well, first of all, this penguin seems to be unbalanced on this game, so let me just see how this goes with this being a travel version and not the larger size. But yeah, we do have some spare pieces. These ice blocks are spare, so if you lose any down the couch, in the fridge or in the toilet, I don't know how they'd get there, but you have got some spare pieces at the end of it. Now before I get to test this game, I will say that the instructions try to be clear, but I don't think they are. When you spin the spinner and the dial lands on the yellow colour, I think that means that you can knock the dark ice blocks. If it lands on the blue, the light ice blocks. If it lands on the red, you can specify which blocks you want to choose. And I'm guessing here that when you land on the green, you can miss a goal. But let's go ahead and let the games commence.
We just knock it down.
Do the other side, I think.
I think I did it.
It's on the table there, isn't it?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, you've not knocked it down.
Oh, like.
It's just unbalanced, that's the only bad thing. Should put a bit of Velcro on it. Ah, good again, what's going on? This one's drunk, I think. This penguin is a little bit drunk. It's a little bit of a drink. Yeah. Ah, come on. Where do you think you're going?
I'm gonna take
It's giving up already, isn't it? I can see already that I've got to hold the stand itself to keep it steady.
It's really fun.
Is it?
Yeah.
We can do it. Go on. Do it. They should put the main centre one with Velcro on the bottom so at least sticks. Can't see this working good on a plane. Really? You're taking a chance there? You're being very daring. Oh, and she does it. Doctor's been taken. You were next.
I'm scared. I shouldn't have done that whole.
Go, 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 Power Ranger, go. Ah, no, that's cheating. Do the other one. No, right, I'll let you off with that one. Cheat. Next player, please. Where you going? Going home. I'm going home, sleep. It's taking too long.
It's gonna go down.
Go on, it's okay. It's not. It's not. It's not. Yeah. You're gonna lose now.
Ha!
No. That was pretty good though, that's fast. That's edgy.
Wait,
flick it. Oh, she's taking a chance there. This one thinks she's cocker. Oh, she does it as well. So whose go is it next? Next player, please. Oh, gently, 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 gently. Let's help you, Ivan. Oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. No! So that means you're the winner. Oh my days, lad. We just got beat by a girl. After playing with this penguin ice block game with the family for a few hours, I can definitely say that this game was lots of fun and good for parent and child interaction. It's great for 2 to 4 players and good for boy or girl aged 3 years plus. The quality of the material of this ice block breaking game is that of ABS plastic. It has good tactics, the results are always unpredictable, and if I was to name one negative about this ice block breaking game, is that it's the sturdiness of the actual game itself. Because this is the mini travel version, it does become frustrating at times trying to play this, even at home, so I would not actually advise you to buy this thinking you can play this on an aeroplane or maybe travelling within a car. As you've seen in the video, I had to hold the stand while we was playing, just so the ice blocks can actually be broken. So yeah, a tiny bit of frustration about this game, but in whole, for the price, I can't really take much away from this game. With that being said though, what would I actually give this ice block breaking game out of 10? Well, drum rolls please. Well, I would actually give this ice block breaking game today 5 out of 10. So yeah, not full marks, but I'm guessing with the bigger version of this game, it'd be more fantastic for more of the family to be involved. But as it is, my children and myself did find it frustrating, but we did have good fun. Like I said before guys, I would leave the link for this product in the video description right down below, along with the bigger version to this ice block breaking game. And as usual, guys, don't forget to share. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Hit that bell option to stay updated on all my new uploads. And I'll see you over in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. It's noticeable from the start that this is the travel mini version of the ice block pigeon.